Uh, Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to give a solid overview on my Feedback Pro project, which is based on feedback management system. So here you can see my UI. Let's deep dive into my code base. Here you can see that my code base is visible to you. I have used two folders to creating my project. Here is front end and here is back end. So in our back end we have used Python and Fastapi for creating our back end, and in our front end we have used Tailwind CSS and React for creating our front end file. And also we have created a build folder which is for deploying our front end file into Nativefly website. And here you can see lots of files like org.py, crude.py, database.py, main.py, models.py. So these all are responsible for creating our backend. This is Docker file, and let's deep dive into this code components. In org.py we have created org.py for login and registration for our users, and crude.py especially managing lots of kind of CRUD operations like create, read, update, delete. These kind of operations can be done by this file. Okay, like if you are hitting create, if you want to create a file, this file is going to help you, or if you want to read a file, this file is going to help you. If you want to update some person's data, it is going to help you, and it is also help you going to delete a data. Okay, and database.py, this is nothing more that it is we are building your connections, and this main.file which is responsible for enabling core setup. Also it is responsible for creating our server file, server connection, or it is I have also enabled our routes file here, like post, delete, put, or get actions. Okay, this kind of I have functionality. I have this kind of routes I have also enabled in this file. And this is model file. The model files are nothing. We have where we are going to initialize our models for our database. Okay, and this is schemas, like what kind of schemas we are going to use in our models. This is just related to our database, nothing more than of it. Okay, so these all are for our code base. Now let's move on to our let's move into our project. Let's log in. You can see that I have done something typo, that's why it is not appearing. I need to do it correctly, then it will appear, otherwise it is not going to appear, I think. You can see that login successful toast has been appeared on our screen. So this is our manager dashboard. We have logged in as a manager. You can see that we have three team members, and one feedback has been given, and 0 sentiment is in trend. So suppose you want to view a view your feedback or employee by simply clicking on the view or manage section. You can do it, or if you want to delete an employee, you can simply do it by click on this delete button. Okay, you can see that a employee has been successfully deleted, or you can add a employee by successfully adding something name on this model 1 2 3 4 5, something related to this, I don't know. Let's do it. Okay, I need a @ function, otherwise regex is going to give me an error. Okay, so 1 4 5 6. You can see that employee added successfully has been appeared on our screen. Okay, suppose so this is all our this is all for our manager dashboard. Okay, and suppose I want to give a feedback to our Bob employee, positive. You can see that feedback submitted successfully, the toast has been appeared on our screen. Okay, so this is all for our manager dashboard. Now let's move on to our employee dashboard. I have created a demo credential for easy access, so I'm going to use it. I'm not going to create any kind of employees now. See, you can see that login successful, toast has been appeared. This is my login dashboard. Here is a acknowledge section, where by clicking this you can acknowledge your manager's actions. Okay, this is nothing more than this is a simple employee dashboard. Okay, and this is a manager section. By clicking on this, if a new manager want to join, by simply in doing this this kind of things, by simply filling this form, they can register themselves and log in also. Okay, you can see that login successful, toast has been registration successful, toast has been appeared. So this is all for the project. Thank you.